The generic 2.5 by 2.5 refrigerator sticker machine is a fun tool. It lets you make custom magnets. Think of it as a personal magic wand for your fridge. The kit includes everything. You get a machine, a paper cutter, and 100 magnet materials. You can turn any picture into a magnet. This machine is straightforward. It is easy to operate. You simply place your photo inside. Then you press the handle down. The machine does the rest. It's a creative outlet for everyone. It is suitable for all ages. It's a great machine for beginners. The machine is very sturdy. It feels well made. Moreover, the included paper cutter is helpful. You can cut your photos precisely. Therefore, your magnets will look professional. The generic 2.5 by 2.5 refrigerator sticker machine is a great investment. It is not just a gadget. It's a memory maker. You can create unique gifts. Imagine giving a friend a personalized magnet. You can use pictures of your pets. You can use your favorite memories. This machine makes it simple. First, you print your photo. Then, you cut it with the included cutter. Next, you follow the easy instructions. The machine will then seal your picture. It turns it into a magnet. It's a very satisfying process. It feels like a small accomplishment. This machine is also perfect for parties. You can have a DIY magnet station. Guests can make their own souvenirs. It's a fantastic conversation starter. It is a wonderful way to preserve memories. This generic 2.5 by 2.5 refrigerator sticker machine is a fantastic kit. It has everything you need. You can start making magnets immediately. It is perfect for crafters. Also, it is great for businesses. You can make branded magnets. You can use them for promotion. Consequently, this machine has many uses. The process is quick. It is also quite clean. The results are always impressive. The magnets stick well. They are also very durable. They don't easily get scratched. Thus, your creations will last. This machine is a little gem. It's a creative powerhouse. It is a must-have for anyone. Pros: makes magnets and badges, includes a paper cutter, comes with 100 materials, easy to use for DIY, create personalized gifts, good for small businesses, durable construction, creates professional items, ideal for hobbies, produces square magnets. Cons: not ideal for small fridges, limited to one magnet size, requires manual effort. Features: makes 2.5 by 2.5 inch square magnets, includes a badge maker machine, creates refrigerator stickers, comes with a paper cutter, includes 100 magnet materials, DIY photo magnet press. Simple to use, makes 63.5 by 63.5 mm magnets, ideal for personalized gifts, complete magnet making kit. This kit provides everything you need to create your own personalized square fridge magnets. The main component is a badge maker machine designed to press 2.5 by 2.5 inch, 63.5 by 63.5 mm photos or designs into refrigerator stickers. To get you started, the package includes a handy paper cutter and 100 sets of magnet materials, making it a complete and simple to use DIY photo magnet press. It's perfect for turning your favorite pictures into personalized gifts or decorations. This 2.5 inch square magnet maker is a great tool for both hobbies and small businesses. It allows you to easily create your own personalized magnets and badges. The kit comes with a paper cutter and 100 sets of materials, so you can start making professional-looking items right away. While it's durable and easy to use for DIY projects, it only makes one size of square magnets, which might not be ideal for smaller fridges.